Here I have HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this scanner icon here in the corner. Allow while using the app, and now let's try to scan this QR code. So as you can see, like as soon as it spots this QR code, it suggests me to open a link in browser. So let's do it. And here you can see the page which is being encoded into this QR code. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.